So when it comes to specifically technical SEO issues, I would recommend using a tool like Ahrefs to identify, actually it's open over here, to identify the most crucial, again, technical SEO issues. For example, for weareworking.com, there are a bunch of issues that I would recommend taking a look at. For example, orphan pages, 3xx redirects in sitemap, images to heavy, using HTTP instead of HTTPS for pages, and so on and so forth. So these are the issues that I would mm, highly recommend fixing in the first place. So these issues with the red triangles, this is what you want to get fixed in the first place because they're actual errors. When it comes to these guys, these yellow circles, uh, they are something that you want to take a look at and see if it's worth fixing them. For example, missing all text is not always bad because if it's a technical image, not a meaningful image, you don't want to fix this issue in that case, but in some cases it really makes sense to do so. Then when it comes to pages that have links to redirect, it also depends. Open graph tags incomplete also depends on the situation. So the bottom line is that you want to get fix the red items, and about the yellow items, it depends, and it requires a closer look at it. So that's in general about technical SEO. Now, when it comes to checking the site for speed, like whether it's fast enough, the best tool to use is Page Speed Insights from Google, and it shows the speed on desktop, on mobile. You can see like the performance and what you can fix. Here's a list of actual issues that you want to get fixed. But the caveat here is that if you are not a web developer, you want to hire a web developer, a programmer who can fix these sort of issues, because if you want to get these issues fixed, it's not enough to hire an SEO expert, because these are super technical issues and you want to hire an actual programmer, web developer to get them fixed. So that's that. Now, when it comes to checking your site for rich data, you can use the RichResults test tool. And in this particular case, it shows some results and so on. So this is the best tool to use for that. And what else? Yes, and also to better understand what should be fixed in terms of the performance of your site, you can just use the built-in feature that Google Chrome has to offer. So you can just go to Lighthouse over here, then click Analyze Page Load, and just give it some time, and it will basically check the site for all sorts of potential issues and identify what you want to get fixed. And here's the result, like in terms of performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, SEO in terms of the technical aspect of it, of course. And that's basically the tool that you can use to better understand and investigate what is causing your site to function not so mind-blowingly, so to put it. And also, you can also use this tool to see how your site, let me drag myself over here, how the site works on mobile devices, because again, you can just click over here, and once you click over here, you can basically browse your site as though it's on a mobile device. So in this particular case, I would maybe fix the bullets here, the lists here, because it looks weird. Other than that, yeah, also this alignment here is kind of weird also. I would either center it or left align it, perhaps. So yeah, a bunch of mobile-friendly issues available right away. I mean, you can identify them right away. So, and it's just within the Google Chrome toolset. So that's basically what you can need to take into account when it comes to technical SEO. In terms of the robots file, you can just add it to any domain and see whether you have it and what it says, and basically see if it's okay, or hire an SEO expert to tell you if it's okay or not. And when it comes to sitemaps, usually, I mean, as a rule of thumb, your robots.txt contains a link to your sitemap, and in this case as well. So this is basically the URL that you're supposed to submit to Google Search Console. Yeah, so that's in a nutshell what I think about specifically the technical SEO aspect of sites and what you are supposed to check, and that's basically what I suggest checking. Thank you.